Okay, well, here's your update from behind the house. Come on back to find Simon got the car out, and he apparently made it down to the end of the alley. This is the other end of the alley. It's not clear. A whole bunch of them got together and snow blowed and shoveled. Now, I'm going to go down the way that Simon could be driving. Mind you, I'm outside, so if he calls from the car, I can't hear him. Yeah, various different... Okay. See the tire marks, those are Simon's. And there's only one way he could have went, and that's that way. I have no idea where he went to, or how he plans on getting back into the garage, if he plans on getting back in the garage. Okay, we're coming up to Luna, and see the street. That's the middle of the street. But I have no idea where my husband is. Okay, running out of battery, just gotta turn it.